table of 113 because in this video we have to divide this 4785 by 113. So I don't know the table of 113. So is it possible without knowing the table of 113 we have to divide this number? So yes, it is possible with the help of Vedic maths trick. This number is near to the 100. 100 is called a base number and it is a more than that base number. Now in the previous video we have discussed Paravartya Sutra that help you to solve this type of question. So now we are continuing this lecture. So if you want to watch that previous video, link is given in the description box. Also at the end of this video you can find the Vedic maths playlist. In that video, we have discussed the detailed concept about different types of multiplication method, division method, and there are very short method to find them quickly multiplication, division. Now see how to solve this type of question. Here 113, we are considering base number 10, 100, 1000 and this number is greater than the base number. So this 113 is near to the 100. So for this question, we are dividing by 113. So 113 is near to the base 100 and this number is 13 more than that base number. So 100 is our base number and we are dividing by 113. So if we take the subtraction, so it is 100 minus 113 is minus 13. So in short, we are getting the 2 multiplier. In previous video, we have discussed how to divide by 13, 17, 12. So there is a 2-digit number. That's why we are in the subtraction, we are getting single multiplier. But because of this is a 3-digit number, that's why it is near to the 100 and we are getting the subtraction 2-digit. That means minus 1 and minus 3. These are the 2 multiplier in this question. So minus 1, minus 3. These are the 2 multiplier. अगर आपने previous video को नहीं देखा है तो please watch that video. Link is given in the description box because if we know the idea about this single digit, how to take the multiplier, then it will be easy to solve this 3-digit division process. Now we are dividing 4785. So when we are dividing the number, we will get the some quotient and some remainder. And because of this number is large, so automatically it is always not possible we are getting the complete divisible number. Maybe there is a something remainder we are getting, or sometimes that remainder is 0. That means that number is completely divisible. So here we are dividing by 113, which is near to the base 100. 100 contain 20. That's why this number you have to break into the 2 part, which contain right side 2-digit number. Why we are taking right side 2-digit number? Because our base number is 100 that contain 20. That means remainder is 2-digit number. That's why we are taking right side 2-digit and remaining part in the left side. How many numbers are in the left side? That doesn't matter. Might be it is a 5-digit, 6-digit. If our number is large, so that rest of the numbers we have to write in the left side. So right side 2-digit number we are taking as a remainder and left side is considered the part of the quotient. Now the first step is we have to take first number as it is as a quotient part. So 4 is as it is and our multiplier number is minus 1 and minus 3. So these are the multiplier, that means you have to multiply this multiplier to this number. So here 4 multiplied by this minus 1, it gives the answer minus 4. 4 multiplied minus 3, that become a minus 12. Now here it is possible to simplify this number. 7 minus 4 is 3 and it is a plus 3 because 4 is a bigger number. So 7 minus 4 is plus 3. Now 3, again do the same process as we have done in the first step. 4 multiplied to this minus 3, 4 multiplied is 1. So we will get this answer and simplify this number, so you will get 3. Now 3 multiplied is minus 1, so it is a minus 3 and 3 multiplied is minus 3, that become a minus 9. Solve this one. So here 8 minus 12. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 and this minus 3, that become a minus 7. So minus 7 you can write minus 7 or 7 bar. Bar is itself representing the negative number. So here say 12 minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 7 we are denoting by 7 bar. Now simplify this number. So here 5 minus of 7. So it gives the answer minus 4. Now in the next step, this negative number to convert into the positive number. So we have to subtract this from the 0. 4, 3, 7 bar, 4 bar. So here if we subtract this number from 0, so 0 minus 4 is not possible. So you have to take 1 from this number. So we are actually minusing the 1 from this. So it is already minus 7 and again subtracting minus 1, that become a 8. So here 10 minus 4 is 6. Now this again 0 minus of 8 is not possible. So take 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and next number is 42. So hence here this number, if we convert into the positive, then it become a 26, and for that we are removing the 1 from this number, so it become a 42. So quotient is 42 and remainder is 26. So here if we divide 7485 by 113, so you will get quotient 42 and remainder 26. Because I am explaining this question, so it takes a time, but if you are practicing, you will get the answer quickly, because we don't know about the table of 113. So comparative to that, it is very simple to find the quotient and remainder. Now we see one more example. Now see the next example. Here we have to divide 56742 by 111. So how to divide this number? Here first you have to check the base number. So here we are dividing by 111, that is near to the 100. So this is 100 is our base number, and as we are dividing by 111, that is a 11 more than that base number. So that's why the multiplier is minus 1 minus 1. So here we have to take as an individual number. So first minus 1, second minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, there are two multiplier, and we are dividing 56742. To break this number into the two part, right side is our remainder part and left side is our quotient part. As our base number 100, which contain 20, that's why we are taking right side 2 digit, which denoted as a remainder part, and left side is denoted as a quotient part. So what is the first step? The first step is we have to take our first number as it is, that is a 5. Now next step is we have to multiply this multiplier and write down that multiplication here. So our multiplier is minus 1 minus 1. So if we multiply this multiplier to this number, so 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Now here simplify this first numbers. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Now again apply the same process of multiplier. So 1 multiply this multiplier. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now here solve this term. So minus 5 minus 1 become minus 6, and subtract that 6 from 7. So it gives the answer plus 1. Now here this 1 again multiply by this multiplier. So here 1 into this minus 1, that is a minus 1. 1 into this minus 1 is minus 1. Now simplify this term. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So now this is our 2-digit number. This is our remainder, and 511, this is our quotient. Here in this subtraction there will be no negative number. That's why this is our final answer. That means when we divide 56,742 by 111, so you will get quotient is 511 and remainder is 21. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.